Hey besties, in today's video I'm going to share with you how to make money with YouTube this year. Yes, today I will show you exactly how you can make money and increase your bank account with YouTube. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to set up your YouTube channel. Yes, create your YouTube channel and choose a niche that you are passionate about. The next thing you should do is to fill out your channel's about section and add a profile picture and banner. Yes, and there are content ideas. There are so many content ideas that generate revenue. So create content that educates people, that entertains people, or solves a problem. There are popular niches that include tech reviews, beauty tutorials, and how-to videos. Monetizations. Yes, when it comes to monetization, you need a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours. Yes, and then you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. However, they have a mini monetization. Yes, you can join their YouTube Partner Program by having a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 3,000 public watch hours, but it is limited monetization that you have. Yes, that you have access to. You can have membership, you can use the stickers, you can use, you can get super chats and what have you. And then another way to get monetized is by getting, before now it used to be 10 million views. Yes, I think it's about 10 million shorts views, but there are pitfalls to using shorts to get monetized on your channel. You're not going to get paid as much as what you will get for longer form content. And guess what? You can explore other options like sponsored videos, merchandise, and of course, Patreon. And I'm going to share with you tips for growing your channel. Yes. So guys, if you're new here, go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you and meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say big thank you. You guys are so dear to me. Thank you for all that you do. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you. And to all of my Patreon, Kilo, Shale, Gongo, no, you guys blow my mind every single day. Thank you for the massive support and the love I've seen. I mean, you guys have been showing me from day one. Thank you. Yes, if you'd like to join my Patreon community, please find the link in the description as well as in the comments. When you join my Patreon community, you can book a free one-on-one consultation with me and we can discuss all things money, grants, business, and everything in between. And I'm going to say this, guys. There are 9 ways to go broke. Yes, there are 9 ways to go broke. The first of it is not having insurance. Yes, you can go broke by not having insurance. And the second one is by taking on too much debt. I know this is not one of the ways to make money on YouTube, but it might interest you to know all of these facts. Taking on too much debt is something that is detrimental. Yes, you're living above your pay grade, your income. And the next thing is impulsive spending habits. Yes, make sure that you don't just buy things randomly, things that you didn't plan for, or because someone is buying you to, you're buying. You have to be very, very mindful. Keeping up with the Joneses. The next thing is not setting financial goals. If you don't set financial goals, guys, you are in for you are diving yourself into a world of debt. And the next thing is marrying the wrong person. When you marry the wrong person, like they say, when you marry right, you're already 90% successful in life. But if you marry the wrong person, you already know. You're already 90% unsuccessful when you marry the wrong spouse. And the next thing is when you have no emergency fund, you must always have an emergency fund. And then the next thing is spending more than you earn. Make sure, no matter what, you are not spending more than you earn. I remember when I worked in the bank and, in Lagos, and colleagues were criticizing me for living on the mainland. Oh, why are you not moving to Lekki? I lived in Lagos. Why are you not moving to Lekki? Lekki, things are happening in Lekki. Hello. The water is bad. I'm not here to keep up with the Joneses. It's about me. It's me against me. It is me getting better than me yesterday. It's me getting better tomorrow. Me getting better today than I was yesterday. It's not about me getting better than X person or Y person. I don't care about anyone else. So you have to be mindful and do not let people sink you into a world of debts. You're not trying to keep up with the Joneses. I think it's the most foolish thing ever. If people are going on vacation and you can't afford it, you can't, force yourself just because you want to look good or you want to look rich in front of people. Hello, people are dealing with a lot, and you can't afford to be like anyone else. Another way to actually go broke is by spending more than you earn. And then another way is to lease new cars every new year, every 3 years. You lease a car this year, it depreciates. And when it's time to pay off at the end of 3 years, a new model is out. You want to change the car. You're going to keep sinking yourself into debt. Yes. Now, the next way to go broke is not understanding how money works. From today, start making your money work for you. Another way to go broke is by depending only on one stream of income. Never ever depend on one stream of income. I don't care how much you earn. Make sure that you don't depend on just one stream of income, because once that stream collapses, or you lose your job, or that particular stream of income goes off, you are finished. Now, the next way to go broke is by buying material things to impress other people. Hello, just be yourself. Just be yourself. You have no idea how people are doing it. Avoid all of these things, as many of them as much as possible. So guys, let's get right into how you can win on YouTube. So guys, another tip for growing your YouTube channel is consistency. I'm sure you've heard it so many times. Consistency is very key. You need to upload videos regularly. You need to engage with your audience, and of course, optimize your videos with keywords and eye-catching thumbnails. Yes. And I just want to remind content creators, yes, some of the content creators that we see that are living in their content bag right now, they've been grinding for years. Never compare yourself, never compare your chapter 1 to other people's chapter 51. It's unfair to them. For most creators, they didn't blow up overnight. There are some exceptions, but of course, most creators do not blow up overnight. Yes, I say all this to say, do not get jealous of them. Give them their flowers and then get to work. The levels of wealth are level 1, living paycheck to paycheck. Level 2 is budgeting money. Level 3 is paying down debts. Level 4 is saving for an emergency fund. Level 5 is investing in assets. Level 6 is building multiple streams of income. Level 7 is having financial freedom. Guys, true wealth is not yachts, it's not mansions, it's not private jets, and it's not sports cars. True wealth is living wherever you want to live. True wealth is waking up without the alarm clocks. Yes, without having to set an alarm. Hey, wake me up, I need to go and clock in this job. And then true wealth is seeing a movie at 1 p.m. on a Thursday. Yes, true wealth is going for a walk at 11 a.m. on a Wednesday. Yes, true wealth is getting brunch on a Monday with your friends. Yes, true wealth is freedom to spend your time and create memories with your family. Money is a tool. Every dollar you own should be working for you. And that is it, guys. I hope today's video has hit the right chords in you. If this video has blessed you, you know how we do it. Go ahead and click on the subscribe button, like this video, and do well to share it with your friends. Oh my goodness, I have not even introduced myself yet. Yes, go ahead and introduce yourself while I introduce myself as well. My name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, and entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share various ways to make money from the comfort of your home. So don't sleep on it. Yes, so yes, make sure that you introduce yourself in the comments. And by the way, I have a giveaway, yes, in today's video. And here is how to enter for the giveaway contest. Now we have finally launched our Telegram channel. All you need to do is head right to the link in my description and my comments, as well. Put the link in my comments and my description. So go ahead and share the link with your friends, with your village members, your family members. Share in your WhatsApp group, in your Facebook group, share in your community, share with your fellow students, share with everyone that you know. So you have to share with about at least 20 to 50 people, between 20 and 50 people. And if you're able to share with more than 50 people, that's fine. That even gives you a better chance of getting picked. So I'm going to be selecting people randomly from my comments section. All you need to do is invite people into the group. Keep tab of the numbers of people that you have invited into my Telegram community, and then you come back to this video and let me know how many people you have successfully added into the Telegram community. And when you do that, I will verify. Do not lie. If you lie, you get disqualified automatically. So go ahead and add your friends, and please input the right amount. It's better to understate than to overstate your numbers. Do not exaggerate the number of people that you have added into my community. If you do that, like I said, you're going to be disqualified. And then I will request for your bank details after verifying the numbers, after reconciling the numbers that you said that you added and the actual numbers of people that you added into the group. And that is it, guys, for today. If no one has told you today, I want to be the first to tell you that you're amazing, and I am so proud of you. Go ahead and share this video with your friends. Like today's video, and if you have any questions for me, let me know in the comments. And yes, I want to say big thank you to my Patreon members. If you want to join my Patreon community, find the link in the description and the comments as well. If you join my Patreon community, you get a free one-on-one consultation with me. We can discuss all things money, grants, business, and everything in between. And that is it for today, guys. Yes, that is it, guys. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Take care of yourselves and keep winning and keep sparkling for your gold chances. Bye for now.